Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use Genmoji, Apple's new AI powered emoji feature on your iPhone. So let's get started. Make sure you have compatible devices like iPhone 16 lineup, iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. You also need iOS 18.2 or later. Go to settings, tap on general and then click on software update. Make sure that you're updated to 18.2 or later. Then let me show you how to create Genmoji. You have to open any messaging app on your iPhone. Like I am opening a new note here. Choose from AI generated options, like you have to click on this emoji action and you have to tap something like AI generated images. As an example, I am writing cat on the moon, and you will see a emoji with plus icon right here. As you can see, mine is iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's what I am not getting the option here, but you will get the option right here, and you have to tap on that emoji and iPhone's AI will make you a custom emoji. As you can see, I made it earlier with another device, iPhone's AI. That's it. I made this emoji with AI of iPhone Apple Intelligence. That's it. Be specific, use color and details to get more accurate results. And that's it. Try it out and let me know what you think. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.